How to add custom code to your website in Wix Studio. So it depends on what kind of coding you want. Do you want embedded code or do you want to add it into your actual website? So for example, let's try to embed in here a code. To do that, you can head over right here to your plus icon into your left sidebar, and then it should be able to open this. Now, what we can do is we can just head over and scroll down right here and then look for the embed code or this iframe option. Just drag this to wherever you want to put it. Like for example, let's put it right around here. And then after you have put that into your site, just click onto this enter code option and then it should be able to open this. Now input right here the code that you want to add. However, if you want to add a custom coding to the actual site for the designation of the preposition, what we can do is we can click onto this curly braces, which is the code settings. Now click onto this start coding option. And then after that, it should be able to open this. So just edit this according to your liking from this case, but do take note that you need to be knowledgeable in coding in order to use this. So that's how you add custom code to your website in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.